friends, my name is Advika. Today I'm going to have some fun by 2D shapes. I have made some 2D shapes by using a very big square. I have cut them in many shapes. And now my first task is to make a square again. So I think it's very simple. I'll try. It looks very simple and it is me. Well, I don't understand. Nope. This really does not look like a square. A big one. Okay, let me try again. This is the last chance. Okay, this will go there. Oh yes, this is perfect. Here, yep, perfect. And yes, I think it will be here. Perfect, it's almost done. I didn't know I could make it. Wow, now I can make it. Okay, and I put this here. My first task is done. I have finally made a square. And now, do you know who's a man's best friend? Any ideas? A dog. So I'm going to make a dog also. Nearly there. Yes. Okay. This must be there. Oops. Okay. This here. Okay. This here. And this. Yes. A man's best friend is a dog, and I have made it now. Now, do you know, Christmas is just coming. So, I'm going to make a Christmas tree. And done. Do you know what does Santa gives us? He gives us gifts. So, I'm also going to make a gift. And that gift is for you all. Ta-da! Thank you. Please like and subscribe my Mosie's channel. Thank you.